Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Have you chosen a research topic but don't know what's missing in previous studies? Many students think reading dozens of papers is the only way to find a research gap. But what if AI could analyze the literature in minutes? In this video, I'll show you how to use SciSpace AI to identify research gaps, generate research questions, and build a stronger thesis. Let's get started. A research gap is something previous studies haven't fully explored. It could be a missing variable, a different population, a new methodology, or an unanswered research question. Finding this gap makes your study original. Go to SciSpace and sign in. This AI-powered platform helps you search, analyze, and understand research papers much faster. Type your research topic into SciSpace. For example, the impact of AI-powered recruitment systems on recruitment effectiveness. SciSpace instantly finds recent and relevant research papers. Focus on studies published in the last 5 years whenever possible. Instead of reading every paper line by line, ask SciSpace to summarize the findings. This helps you understand the existing knowledge much faster. Now compare the studies. Look for patterns. Which variables appear repeatedly? Which methods are commonly used? Now look for what previous studies didn't examine. This is where your research opportunity begins. Ask SciSpace to generate possible research gaps based on the literature. Then compare the suggestions with your research interests. Don't copy the AI response directly. Refine it using your own understanding and the literature you've reviewed. Transform the research gap into clear research questions. Every research question should directly address the identified gap. Next, convert your research questions into measurable research objectives. These objectives guide your entire study. Based on your variables, create a conceptual framework showing the relationships between them. Now you have a complete research foundation: a verified topic, a clear research gap, research questions, objectives, and a conceptual framework. You're ready to start writing your thesis. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your classmates. In the next video, I'll show you how to write a professional literature review using AI tools like SciSpace and ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.